Hey guys, welcome to CP Life. Today we're going to talk about a topic that you guys have been asking about, and we're going to talk about service dogs. And service dogs can help people with any type of disability, whether you have diabetes or cystic fibrosis. If you're seizure prone, they have seizure alert dogs, and they also have mobility dogs. And what mobility dogs do is they turn on the lights for you, pick up things off the floor, if somebody with a disability can't reach something, they are trained to grab that item for you. They can, if they can, if you drop something on the floor and you want them to pick it up, you just say lap, and they put their paws on your lap, and they are able to give you that object. And what's really cool about service dogs, wherever the client that is using the service dog is allowed to go wherever you go. So let's say I went to the store and I needed to buy some food. The dog would be allowed to go to the store with me. It would be allowed to go to work with me. If I was in school, it would be allowed to go to school with me. Service dogs are a really great tool for people with disabilities. I truly believe that they give people with disabilities more independence, and they just are a really good source to have. I really want to get one when I get older. My aunt actually used to volunteer at a organization called I Can, and they specialize in training companion dogs and service dogs. So that is a great organization. If you're interested in getting a service dog, that is a great organization to go through. And I believe if you're interested in getting one, the training process, I think you have to go to Ohio and meet your dog and train your dog for a couple weeks in Ohio, and then you get to bring the dog home or something. But like I said, they have all different types of dogs. They have dogs for people that have diabetes, dogs that have cystic fibrosis, dogs that seizure alert dogs, mobility dogs. They're just a great source of independence, and it makes you feel more independent because you don't always have somebody doing things for you. You can just tell a dog a command, and they can you obviously have to teach them the different commands, but if you teach them, they'll automatically react to that certain command and help you. So I really want to, in the future when I get older, I really want to look into that. But like I said, you can Google I can www.ican.org, and that is the service dog organization that my aunt volunteered through. Like I said, it's a great organization. So if you're looking for a service dog right now, I highly recommend you check that out. And if you guys have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. And I would be happy to answer any questions you may have. So, or if you have any questions, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I can just answer you that way. Like I said, I'm very, very open on answering questions about service dogs because when I was little, I had one. So, I would be happy to help you with anything you would need. So, have a great day, guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.